Hi, I'm Paul Dickey, the Video Instruction Manager and Apprenticeship Coordinator at Idaho State University's Continuing Education and Workforce Training. In the past, I have given presentations on AI and specifically ChatGPT. After those presentations, I have had requests and questions about how to create an account or how to access ChatGPT, and I'm making this video to help people with that process. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is share my screen. Share. Okay, move this off. And I'm going to go to my browser, and I'm looking to get to google.com, to the search engine, and I'm going to actually write Chat GPT. Okay, Chat GPT, I'm going to return, and there we go. Chat GPT is like the top link. I'm going to click on that link, and to get started, it's asking us to log in or sign up. Most people watching this video do not have an account yet, so they're going to want to sign up. So that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to sign up with an email address. This is probably the most, the way that most people are going to sign up is with their email. So I'm going to use my ISU edu. It's going to be pdickey at isu.edu, and then I'm going to continue. Apple, of course, I'm using an Apple device. It's going to ask me automatically want to use a strong password. You can use any password that you want to use. But remember, it's got to be at least 8 characters long. I'm going to use the suggested password. I'm going to continue. And it's going to say verify through my email. So I'm going to go to my email program. I'm going to look for that email from OpenAI. Well, there it is. I've got my email from OpenAI. And it wants to know my first name, my last name, and my date of birth, because it wants to make sure that you're over 18. Okay, so I'm going to put in my date of birth, and you won't be able to see this portion. It's going to be blacked out. And continue. It also wants to verify a phone number. Again, you're not gonna be able to see this portion. 6, and then it's gonna send me a code. So again, these are all security conditions that they have. So they're gonna send me a code on my phone, which I'm gonna pick up my phone and type in that code. And so now I have access to ChatGPT 3.5. Now, if you look at the top here, you're going to see 3.5 and 4. On a free account, which we've just created a free account, you'll be only using the Chat GPT 3.5. The 4 is only available for people with paid accounts, but this is how you log in and create an account with Chat GPT. Again, it's going to ask for your date of birth because it wants to verify that you're of age, and it's going to send you a code through your phone. So it needs your phone number so it can give you a secure code through your phone. So just so you know, where it's going to be asking for your email address, it's going to have you verify your email address through an email. It's going to ask for date of birth to verify your age, and it's going to send you a secure code through your phone. So it's going to need your phone number. So just so you know that those are the pieces of information that you'll be giving to ChatGPT when you create an account. Again, now you're ready to start using ChatGPT, which again, I would refer you to my presentations for uses that you can use ChatGPT for. Thank you so much for your attention on this video. I appreciate it.